Welcome to the Arithmetic Fundamentals General Overview video. The Prime Academy Learning Center website ties together our printed book and Arithmetic OneNote notebook on arithmetic fundamentals. In addition, it offers additional details on the HP Prime calculator pages found in the book and notebook. To find the website, type HP Prime Academy in the browser search field. It will come up with this particular link. Clicking on this link, you will arrive at this page here. The HP Prime has a drop-down menu, and you want to pick Arithmetic Fundamentals. At the Arithmetic Fundamental page, you want to click on this link to open it in a new tab. When you open the new tab, you will see that you have gone to our paperback book. Returning to our arithmetic page, clicking our general overview, we see how we will get additional information. Right now we are working on this, and hopefully this will be done in 1 week. Dealing with the specific information pages will take us longer because there's much more information to be performed. If I go back up and click on this link right here, it will take us to our OneNote for Windows 10 page. This is the screen at our Prime Academy Learning Center website Algebra Fundamental page that we were using to demonstrate the escape and the clear key. We picked this screen because we can demonstrate both the escape and the clear function, but also we can use it to demonstrate the calculator's built-in help function. On the calculator, we have the help screen for convert displayed. It tells us that the syntax is value unit 1, 1 unit 2. If we look over here, we see examples with the 1, 1, 1, but we see other examples with the 0. What happens is we have an alternate form that we put into the calculator, and when we put in the alternate form, we do not put a 1 in here. So when it gets done doing this particular calculations, it displays it with convert with 0. Let's take a look at the help system. Hit OK to clear out the message for convert. Notice that the cursor is blinking where the parameter would be input. If we have a command come up and we hit the help button, we will get the help system displayed. We will now demonstrate the escape function. Press OK to clear out the help system. Press escape to clear out the command line. Let's demonstrate clearing out the history area by putting a convert command into our command line. So what we're going to do is we're going to convert meters to yards. So let's just take a look at 1. So we'll put 1 in. We'll go to shift units to get the units command. We need to switch over here to units. We need to go to length, and then we need to do meters. Then we hit the store button so that we use the alternate, or what we call the abbreviated form. We go to shift. We don't put a number in when we're using the abbreviated form. So we go to units, we go to length, and we go to yard, and then we press enter. And we see that basically, okay, 1 meter is slightly longer than a yard. So to clear this out, we're going to use the clear key. So we hit shift and clear. Our last item we are looking at in Algebra Fundamentals General Overview video is to see how we use parentheses with mixed numerals. Let's look at our calculator to see how these operations work. If we highlight the first answer and press our ABC button, we will see that we have switched the answer to a fraction. We press it again, we switch it back to a decimal. If we go to the second answer in our history and press the ABC button, we switch it to a decimal, press the button again, switch it to an improper fraction, press the button again, switch it to a mixed numeral. Do the same thing with our repeating decimal here. Highlight it, switch it to a proper fraction. Our last answer here, if we press the ABC button, switch it to a mixed numeral, switch it to a terminating decimal, and switch it back to an improper fraction. Let's go down to the command line here. And when we move down to the command line, we have written it without parentheses. And when we press enter, we come up with this answer. We will press the ABC button and see that it is not the correct answer, because what we have done is subtract 25 from the first mixed numeral, not 25 and 5/8. So for this to be correct, we would need to put parentheses around this part. So let's move it down. So we'll hit it, then we'll copy it. We need to have the second part with parentheses, so we'll backspace. Put in parentheses, put in 25, put an add sign. We can do the fraction by using the divide key, so we'll press 5, divide, and put in 8. We could have also used the template key up here, but we chose to use the divide key instead. We will press enter. We will hit our ABC button and see that we end up with the correct answer now. But for clarity, we like to put the parentheses around both parts, even though it was only necessary for the second part. We conclude this video by clearing out our calculator. So if we press Shift and clear, we clear out our calculator. This concludes the video.